Hey, crafty friends and journaling friends. I hope you're doing well out there today. I have something to show you. This rug came from Five Below, the store, Five Below. You can shop their store online, and also there's local stores in our area. And I bought this rug 4 years ago. You can see the fringe on the ends has started to disappear because I've washed it so many times, and I've had it out on my patio. So I have loved this rug. Last time I washed it, it started to unravel and it revealed that it has all of these really pretty ribbons that have been used to make it. And so I started looking at it, and these are just beautiful. This is a soft one. There's some that are, well, they're all different textures, but they have pretty patterns. Look at this. And I thought, well, if they had another rug, I could get another one. And so I got online, and they did have them. They're still available. I ordered myself another one to replace this one outside. They're $5.55 for this 3x5 rug. I'm going to take this apart, and I just thought I would share it with you in case you're interested. This would definitely be a lot of beautiful ribbon for journaling. You could use it in your crafts. And so I'm going to get started and take this apart, and I'm going to show you what I end up with. I'm getting to the end. It's been kind of like Christmas, pulling these out, waiting to see what's going to show up. Look at these polka dots. So pretty. And flowers. I'm going to iron them out and show you. This is like a netting. There were quite a few pieces of netting in here. Then some of them are plain fabric. So you never know what you're going to pull out. And I have all of these, and also all of this so far. Here are a bunch of the strips and pieces that have been ironed already, and so many different colors. You can kind of see how tall the stacks are there so far. I've just been ironing and ironing. This definitely takes patience, but where else other than maybe like at a thrift store haul could you get this much fabric? for your journals or your craft projects. It took several days to get it taken apart and get everything ironed, and then I separated them into colors. I wanted to show you some of the neater things that came out of it. There were a lot of plain colors like this, just some simple gauzy-like fabrics. There were quite a few of these, but there were some really neat ones that had sequins and pretty colors like this, these flowers. The band of the rug made a neat piece too. I don't think this shows up as well on camera, but that's pretty cool. That could be used in a journal or for some other craft, and there was quite a bit of that. This neat little sequin piece came out of there. It's cute. These were some of my favorites. Polka dotty seafoam green and gold. It's shiny. This one, I may have already shown you this one, but I really like that. Definitely pretty. There's quite a bit of this. This one would go nice behind a book plate. There's this shiny yellow gold. There were quite a bit of yellow fabrics. That's how many yellows and a little bit of orangey yellow. That's how much seafoam and sort of aqua teal colors. White, kind of off-white. Gold. I love the frayed edges. Brown. Purples. Grays or silver. Pattern fabrics. I like this polka dot one. Reds. Pinks and corals, oranges. Look at the embroidered flower was on the this piece here. Very pretty. I thought this was neat. This one. This one. And black. And even this black lace. There's quite a bit of this. And dark blues. And greens. Now, I have all of these fabrics. I wonder what in the world I'll end up doing with these. I'm sure it'll be years before I get to use them all, but if you decide to buy one of these rugs, love to know about it, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye. One last thing, here's the rug when it's brand new before it fades. I thought you might like to see that. Okay, so bye for real now. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.